Hey there, food lovers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into the world of Chinese cuisine and explore one of its most iconic dishes, Chinese fried rice. But that's not all. We'll also be uncovering some fascinating unknown facts about this beloved comfort food. So, let's get started. To make Chinese fried rice, you'll need a few key ingredients. The star of the show is, of course, the rice. It's best to use leftover cooked rice, as it has a drier texture and won't get mushy when stir-fried. You can add a variety of vegetables like carrots, peas, onions, and even proteins like shrimp, chicken, or beef. Now, here's a little known fact. Fried rice was invented as a way to repurpose leftover rice in Chinese households. It's a delicious and practical way to minimize food waste. So, the next time you have some leftover rice in your fridge, you know what to do. The secret to a flavorful Chinese fried rice lies in the sauce and seasonings. The most common sauce used is soy sauce, which adds a savory umami flavor. You can also include other sauces like oyster sauce or sesame oil to enhance the taste. And don't forget the scrambled eggs, which add a delightful richness to the dish. And there you have it, our Chinese fried rice is now ready to be enjoyed. The combination of flavors and textures in each bite is simply irresistible. It's a versatile dish that can be served as a main course or as a side dish alongside your favorite Chinese dishes. But before we wrap up, let's share one more fascinating fact. Did you know that Chinese fried rice has a long history? It dates back over 1,500 years to the Sui dynasty in China. It was originally created as a way to feed large crowds during banquets and celebrations. And that concludes our exploration of Chinese fried rice. We hope you enjoyed learning about this classic dish and the hidden stories behind it. Give it a try in your own kitchen and let us know how it turns out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.